Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you what stars are on Facebook and how to purchase them. Let's get started. Facebook stars are a virtual currency that lets you support creators you enjoy. When you send stars during a video, the creator actually earns money from your support. To buy stars, first navigate to any video creator's page where stars are enabled. Look for the comment section below the video, and you'll notice a star icon right next to where you type comments. Tap on that star icon to bring up the gifting menu. Before you can send stars, you need to purchase them. Tap on your current stars balance shown in the top right corner of the gifting menu. This will open the purchase screen where you can select from various star bundle options. Choose the amount you want to buy. There are usually several tiers available. Once you've selected your bundle, you'll proceed to payment. Facebook accepts various payment methods including Apple Pay, credit cards, and other mobile payment options depending on your device. After completing your purchase, the stars will be immediately added to your balance. You can then return to the creator's video and tap the star icon again to send your gift. Each star you send translates to financial support for the creator, and they often provide special reactions or acknowledgments when receiving stars. Remember that star purchases are final and can't be refunded, so make sure you want to support the creator before buying.